All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed grave concern over the intensified atrocities by the Indian troops against the innocent people in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APAC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, termed the ongoing house raids, cordon and search operations and arrest of the youth under the Black Law as the worst form of the political vengeance. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has said that the decisions taken by the BJP-led Indian government on August 5, 2019 have alienation in the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, speaking to the reporters in Srinagar, Umar Abdullah interpreted the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's statement that the BJP would not field the candidates from the Kashmir region in the ongoing Lok Sabha elections as a proof of the Saffron Party's failure. An Indian paramilitary soldier died of a suspected cardiac arrest in the Kupwara district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Central Reserve Police Force soldier identified as Munir Ahmed, deployed at the Handwara area of the district, fell unconscious during the duty hours, an Indian official said. Leader of the National Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir, Raman Bhalla, has said that the decision of the BJP-led Indian government to scrap the region's special status had been full of shock. According to Kashmir Media Service, addressing a series of the public meetings in different areas of the Samba, Raman Bhalla lambasted the BJP for having done the greatest disservice to occupied Kashmir. Speakers at various functions held in Muzaffarabad, the capital of Azad Kashmir, paid glowing tributes to Raja Haider Khan and all the martyrs who struggled for the rights of the Kashmiri Muslims against the Dogra rule and for the just cause of the Kashmir after the partition of India. According to Kashmir Media Service, the 20th April 2024 marks the 58th death anniversary of Raja Muhammad Haider Khan, an important resistance leader. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said that the occupied Kashmir has been converted into an open-air prison since August 2019, when Article 370 was illegally abrogated by the BJP government. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mehbooba Mufti made the remarks at a press conference in Srinagar while releasing the party's manifesto for the upcoming Indian parliamentary elections.